In October 2017, astronomers detected something unprecedented, an interstellar object traversing the solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger or scout. Since then, it has been the subject of intense scientific speculation and debate due to its trajectory, elongated shape, and inexplicable behaviors. It became one of the greatest mysteries of contemporary astronomy. Presently, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first real image of this interstellar traveler. Oumuamua resembled nothing we'd ever seen before because, unlike comets, it had no visible tail and no evidence of outgassing. In addition, unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the sun couldn't be explained by gravity or known forces. Since its discovery, hypotheses have been put forward, ranging from fragments of ice made of hydrogen to the possibility that it is a spacecraft designed by an advanced civilization. However, there had been no conclusive response until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Telescope is designed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its capacity for observation in the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther from our solar system, it captured something amazing, the very first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. The image from Webb has confirmed what could only be speculated before. Oumuamua has an elongated and irregular shape, with a surface marked by grooves and craters, indicators of billions of years traveling through interstellar space. But what is most surprising is its composition. Organic compounds on the surface and elements not commonly found in our solar system suggest that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment quite different from ours. One of Oumuamua's greatest mysteries has been its anomalous acceleration as it leaves our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing, but have brought up new possibilities. One intriguing theory is that the acceleration could be caused by an exotic mechanism, such as a light sail, an imaginable technology that uses the pressure of light to move through space. Because of the James Webb Telescope's ability to examine the light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have managed to unravel the composition of its surface. The data reveal a mix of metallic and mineral compounds unknown in the solar system, along with traces of elements that could form organic molecules. Among the most fascinating findings is the presence of a highly reflective material that could also explain its unusual brightness, as well as compounds that suggest Oumuamua may have formed in a young, dynamic star system. These discoveries offer key clues concerning the regional processes of the universe, where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most recent theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet smashed by strong gravitational forces. These forces, caused by a massive star or a nearby black hole, could have stretched and shattered the planet, forming objects with strange shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. This provides a brand new window to study how star systems evolve and change over time, and how catastrophic events can give rise to objects that end up traveling through the galaxy. The organic compounds found on Oumuamua's surface have sparked speculation regarding its role as a carrier of the building blocks of life. In a universe full of possibilities, could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing these molecules? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, suggests that objects like Oumuamua play a key role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also raises the question of whether our own existence could be linked to similar events in Earth's past. Oumuamua is more than an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries stories of cosmic events that took place billions of years ago. Its study not only teaches us about where it came from, but also how systems interact and evolve in the galaxy. In addition, the analysis of Oumuamua lays the groundwork for future missions designed to intercept and study these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on galactic dynamics. This discovery is a reminder that the universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be found, and Oumuamua is only the beginning. It has not only challenged our scientific theories, but also our perception of our position in the cosmos. We are reminded of our status as a small part of a vast and immense cosmos, where such events take place continuously, even far beyond our sight. If this object has an artificial origin, it could be the first indirect contact with extraterrestrial intelligence, a possibility that would transform our understanding of life in the universe. Oumuamua has inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers to think outside the box. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, an effort to create probes capable of traveling at relativistic speeds, are just the beginning of an era of interstellar research. These potential future missions could not only intercept Oumuamua-like objects, but also investigate their features in detail, helping us answer questions that still remain unanswered. With each discovery, we move toward a future where humanity could not only observe the universe, but also interact with it in ways we can now only imagine. Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger, is much more than a passing object through our solar system. It is an open door to the mysteries of the cosmos. The door, leading into a universe of possibilities and mysteries, these discoveries have transformed astronomy, inspiring questions about our origins, our place in the universe, and our future. As a result of the James Webb Telescope, we have taken another step toward comprehension, how it feels to be a part of something so vast. The Oumuamua complex universe is a reminder that, despite our small size, we are made of curiosity and an eagerness to learn. The universe is great at inviting us to dream, and Oumuamua is just the beginning of it. What other secrets await us out there? Only time and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge will tell us. Now, leave us your thoughts in the comments box. What do you think Oumuamua is really telling us? If you would like to continue investigating the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to sign up for the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oumuamua's discovery has not only begun a brand new chapter in observational astronomy, but also challenged long-held assumptions about the outermost regions of our solar system. Astronomers have long held the belief that the space between stars, interstellar space, was too vast and hostile for frequent passage of solid objects. Oumuamua forever altered that perspective. Scientists have studied it ever since, intensifying efforts to detect similar objects. In fact, new initiatives, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSST, aim to identify fast-moving interstellar objects as they enter the solar system, giving humanity a chance to study them up close or even intercept them with spacecraft. With this growing capability, Oumuamua may be remembered for more than just being a mystery, but as the first of many such messengers from beyond. The implications extend far beyond astronomy. The chemical compounds detected on Oumuamua's surface suggest that life's essential ingredients, organic molecules, can form and exist in a variety of cosmic environments. This bolsters one of the most profound concepts that science may prove, that life is not unique to Earth. If objects like Oumuamua travel between star systems, carrying complex molecules, they could be the seeds of life, stitched all over the galaxy. Some researchers even speculate about techno-signatures, evidence of advanced technology that could be found in future interstellar visitors. If an object's characteristics are inconsistent with natural formation, such as consistent, precise geometric shapes, unusual or non-gravitational propulsion materials, it might usher in a new era in the pursuit of extraterrestrial intelligence. Yet for all its scientific value, Oumuamua also touches something deeper: our imagination. It reminds us of how little we actually understand about the universe and how each discovery, no matter how strange, pushes the boundary of what we consider possible. In response, numerous space agencies and private businesses have started planning missions that could one day catch up with or intercept interstellar objects. Projects like the proposed Project Lyra, which the Initiative for Interstellar Studies is exploring, involve the use of solar sails or high-velocity propulsion to chase Oumuamua or its successors into deep space. These missions could allow us to analyze the composition of such objects directly, perhaps even retrieve samples. A sample return mission to an interstellar object would represent one of the most ambitious endeavors in human history, giving us physical evidence from another star system and potentially rewriting everything we know regarding the formation of planets, stars, and even life. Moreover, Oumuamua's legacy may influence how we design future telescopes. Instruments optimized for tracking high-speed transient objects could become standard in the coming decades. These upgrades would not only help us detect interstellar visitors more effectively, but also strengthen our planetary defense capabilities. In many ways, Oumuamua is a cosmic invitation, an opportunity for humankind to see beyond its own celestial backyard and embrace the fact that we are part of a larger, dynamic, and interconnected universe. This is more than just a rock or a spacecraft. It's a symbol of exploration, of mystery, and of the endless questions that remain for us among the stars.